All right, what is up, guys? So I finally got the Sundown back in here. The reason I haven't posted in a while is because I have not been able to get this thing to hold dust caps. It keeps punching them right off. And the reason is this thing has a very tall center pole with a dish plate on top. So the stock cap, as hard as I'm throwing this, gets punched right off. I went up to a 7-inch, same thing. Went up to a carbon 9-inch. I messed up the glue job. And then finally I was like, screw it. I am going to get the biggest cap I possibly can. And I grabbed an 11.8-inch carbon cap from a Dire Audio, and this thing is huge. It is flush with the surround all the way around the thing. But now that that is fully cured, I am out here testing, and this thing is absolutely getting down. So I'm just going to share some demo footage with you guys today, and yeah, we'll go from there.
Check fucking low. Club does too. Hold up,
Alright guys, well there it is. The Sundown is back and I am super stoked. I'm super excited to have it back in here. It's so much different than any other sub I've ran by far, and since I've been able to get it to hold a cap on, it has picked up way more wind in the lows and it's just so much more fun. But anyway, I hope you guys had a good new year and a good holiday with your family, and I will catch you guys here really soon with some updates, because I'm going to be doing some testing and tuning coming up here in the next couple weeks and try to fish quite a bit more out of this build between cabin and enclosure mods. So I will keep you guys posted with that, and I will catch you next time. Peace.